And here it is, Usain Bolt doing what Usain Bolt does best, banging past Neville, and actually a part of his leg.
Yeah, people say don't know in the summer heat. You know what I mean? A beer joy and a beer niceness say don't know it's your boy Grizzly Beer. Out there, Reggae Vibes Media. So that one in a normal. Yeah. I want what I say. Boof them. You see me? Yeah, them get buff. Because watching up people. Yes, Soccer 8 2003. England versus the world. You see me I say? So watch the vibes I know as you can see. And as you can look. How that you see? Are the fastest man in the world that. Football I'm turn right now. Yeah man I roll the leather upon the asphalt. Hey, the man I roll the leather upon the sticker. You know what I mean? How for fault? I love the man love sports. You see me and say, yeah man, love sports. So watch you now. Soccer aid face include the soccer aid faces, including Usain Bolt, Liam Payne, Noah Beck, Tom Grinnan, Mo Farah, Stephen Bartlett, Gary Neville, and Vicky McClure, all of who returned from the biggest and best charity football match in the world. Yeah, Usain Bolt side win 4, you know what I mean? 2. So, you know what I mean? As you can see, look people, sports is a passion for Usain Bolt. You know, the world fastest man, fastest being on the planet. You know, so he forward out in him colors and represent for Jamaica. You know, in our birdness, I first place that them find out say that youth have a different type of element within him legs them. And him physical structure build up different. Yeah, so the man goes and chop with the first record, grab the gold medal. And then looking at the world, and tell the world, say, hear me now. I go set a record where I never see set yet. And then the man just blow down the 100 meter. And yes, so we can give a little highlights and couple little look for what go on. You see me? So, you know, Soccer 8 2003, you know, I one of them fundraiser type of something there. You see me and say, yeah, one of them charity type of behavior there. As me can see. You see me? Usain Bolt, yo, my brother. Me I tell you, yeah, my brother, yeah, representing on the highest level. You know what I mean? When I look, you can see Usain Bolt do some music. Then some video. You know what I mean? Yeah, you know, in the amongst the youths, them, a move around the people in them country, in the overseas, in their own people. One of them jovial youth them. I love how Usain Bolt move. Usain Bolt does different, you know what I mean? And you know that there's something down to earth. Yeah. The man there more than down to earth. You see me I say? The man there earth himself. You see it? Yeah. Big up my general. You see me I say big up on the win. And we look forward for more winnings. You know what I mean? Cause the summer is done, you know. You see me I say, and the joy. The joy, remember you know people, we have a code. We have the code. You know which code me attack? See it there? Yeah, wake up. Yeah, wake up and go live it. Yes, man. The 5 days summer there. Yeah, dream weekend. Yeah, man, wake up out of a dream and go live the weekend. You see me and say, quick and fast like how Messi kick up. No, quick and fast like how you see him kick and fast. You see me? Yeah, man, right there, straight there, people. So if you're new over here, if you haven't like, subscribe, you know what I mean, or comment, you can like, share the video, you know what I mean, and leave a comment, and subscribe, you know, so you can get the latest notification, you know what I mean, the hot topics them, from RVM, the World Media, Reggae Vibes Media. Yeah, we have the code. Submit tune, yeah, all producers, all artists, yeah, yeah, yeah. Over here, sir. Usain Bolt, big up on yourself, 4-2, and I'm not normal that in a man. You see me I say? So the man them big up on the win. You don't need your boy Grizzly Bear. And I'm out.
Are you planning on releasing a dancehall or reggae track, but frustrated it won't get the attention it deserves? Worry no more. Visit submittune.com and get effective and affordable promotion. We have a list of mixtape DJs, YouTubers, radio, and media personnel, bloggers, Spotify playlisters, graphic designers, and also mixing and mastering services. All you have to do is sign up at submittune.com and begin the journey of getting your music heard. With the help of submittune.com, artists are taking back their power and promoting their music directly to people who can make their dreams of success a reality. Build genuine connections as your music will be heard by fans in the genre. Sign up with submittune.com today and get your music heard.